At what time do my viewers and subscribers come online? This is a very important question that will help you to gain more views if you're able to answer it well. And YouTube has finalized it, like it has done it very simple for you. So YouTube is going to help us determine when our viewers and our subscribers come online so that we upload our videos at a time that it is going to meet them right on time so that we catch them. Aren't you amazed and happy to know this? If you are, subscribe to the channel and join the family, like the video, open the notification bell and put it at all so that whenever I upload a video, you are going to get it. Now we are getting straight into it. So one magical thing is to know when your viewers come online so that you can meet them online. Now to do that, I'm giving you two strategies. The second one kills everything. The first one is you can go through your videos once that you have more views. If you have 2k views, 3k, 1k views, then things, you go to that video at your YouTube studio, then you check its analytics, right? So you check the time that you uploaded that particular video, the time of the day. Maybe it was in the evening, it was in the afternoon, dawn, whenever. You check the time. You check the time that you uploaded that video that you got the views. It could be that probably that's when your viewers come online. You see, sometimes there might be special cases when you upload a video and you wouldn't know whatever happens, like whichever time of the day that you upload, you get the views. But then that is not always the case. Sometimes following or looking at the trend of YouTube is the best way to go, because that automatic views wouldn't work for you always. And it's not even advisable to depend on that. What you are going to do is follow the trend of the videos that you have more likes and more views, and check all of them. When did I upload these videos? You see that there's a particular trend to when you uploaded those videos that met your viewers and your subscribers online that watched your videos. And apart from that trend too, now let's go to the YouTube studio. There's one feature here that creators do not use at all. Someone can stay for a month without checking this particular feature, and that's what we are going to use today. Now let us quickly go to analytics, the middle one. When you go to analytics, we have overview, content, audience. Let's go to audience. Once we get to audience, just scroll downwards. Okay, you see when your viewers are on YouTube, you see, have you seen this before? I bet you many creators don't even know about this. The ones that are dark means few viewers, and the ones that are very bright means many viewers. So it has this Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Saturday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Now, and the times too, every day, and the times that they are online or they are offline. So on Mondays, 11:44 p.m. That's 23:44. It is in Ghana local time. 11:44 p.m. Then 12:44, 1:44, 2, 3, then 4:44, 11:44 to 4:44 a.m. They are not online. Then 5:44, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You see, they start coming online, but very few. Then 11:44 to 12:44, then 1, 2, 3, 4 p.m. You see, from 11:44 a.m. to 4:44 p.m. they are not that online. It is around 1:44 that, see, it is a bit brighter. It means they come online, but not so much. Then 2, 3, 4, 44, they are not that online. Then they start coming around 5:44, 6:44, 7:44. Then viewers are online. On Mondays, viewers are online. Then at 8, 9, they are going. Then 10, they are gone. Then it comes back to 11:44 again. You see, 10:44 they are gone. 11:44 up to 4:44 they are gone. You see, so that's how it is now. So you can check your YouTube studio. You go to analytics, then you read it like this, so that whenever you're going to upload a video, it will tell you that my viewers are online or not. So I did one video. I talked about when you should release your video, that it is not advisable to publish it right away, but you should schedule it. So go and watch that video and learn it. Now, when you are scheduling your video, schedule it to about 3 hours earlier. Now, let me teach you this. When you release your video, YouTube takes some time before it distributes it to your viewers and your subscribers, those who need the video, right? And so you shouldn't schedule it to the exact time that your viewers are online. You should schedule it to a time before the time that they will come. So whenever you are scheduling a video on Monday, Tuesday, whenever, come and check when will they come online. You schedule it to about 3 or 2 hours earlier, so that it will take time and YouTube will take time to spread your video to those who need it. So by the time that they come online, they will just come and meet your video. So let's say I'm scheduling a video on Monday. Let's say 11:44, they are not there. 12:44, they are not there. 1:44, some will come. So it's advisable to schedule my videos at 1 p.m. or let's say 2 p.m. You see, 2 p.m. they are gone, but then they will come around 5, 6, 7. You see, so 2 p.m. if I schedule my video at 2 p.m., it will have about 3 hours for YouTube to do the distribution. You see, so by the time that they come at 5:44 and 6:44 and 7:44, that they are plenty online, you see that they all come and meet my video because it got about 3 hours to be distributed to them. You see, some will get notifications, some it will go to their feed and things. So by the time they come online, they will come and meet my video there. Are you getting it? Yeah. So let me know your comments at the comment section if you are following and you are getting it well. Now, if you are pleased with this video, give me a subscribe, give me a like, open the notification bell to all, so that whenever I upload a video, you are going to be part of the first set of people who are going to get notified. I did a video on when you are supposed to publish your video or schedule your video, so you can get that one at the end screens or at the top here at the comment section too. It is there. I have done videos on how to gain more subscribers and how to set up your video before you publish it or you schedule it, so you can get that one too down there. Let's meet some other time. The name is Serben. Salute.